Okay, so
Yes, can we check? I'm seeing that you're checking your support and resistance on daily time frame. Actually, I've been checking higher highs, higher lows, and a lot of that on 1 hour time frame. I'm planning to ride this long, so I was checking volatility 50 this morning. Can we check
volatility 50
50 on 1 hour time frame?
on 1 hour. Okay, okay. 1 hour time frame.
It looked like there is this short buy channel.
Channel, a channel.
Yeah.
You talking about this one?
Okay, that's overall. That's the
Okay,
overall
the
drop.
small one, the small, there's this one.
That small one, yeah, 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 something like that.
Yes, yes, yes.
So I was actually waiting for the 1 hour candle to close because he wanted to close like that 1 hour bullish candle before the present candle that is forming.
This one.
Yeah, I was waiting for it to close.
Then you can buy.
Um, yeah, yes, but it now closed very far like that. But I still try to use risk management to see if I can buy from there.
Yeah, you can still have been looking on this trade. If can get a nice buy on this channel. So this is what I was doing. So I went to 15 minutes chart.
Okay.
And for those who are a billionaire club, for those who are in billionaire club, they know what I usually mean by bouncing on the simple on this linear moving average. So this is what I saw. So when it dropped, I drew this small trend line here. So I drew this small trend line, and then it break this trend line. I was supposed to enter here, but something is telling me that since the trend line is steep, I don't like steep trend line. Steep trend line means the market can still drop. So I change this the color to
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It might still drop, even if you're going to buy, it might still drop it.
yes. So if it
Or
can drop and retest this small support level here,
yeah,
then anything that will get me through this trade, I can buy this. So because this is trend line, this is steep. So steep trend line means the market is still going back down. So anything if can come back retest this small support level here, either it can go at least to this channel. Can see here can go up to this channel like that. Then we can see a nice buy opportunity coming in.
yeah,
Yes. So this is also a trade to watch. Yeah, so something like that. So anything that come in, you buy here. This will be a nice risk to reward ratio. Just risk small, then you ride the trend because there's big move up. So still have that big move up. Still have that big move up. So can still go even higher and higher. Okay.
thank you. I'm actually
That
also watching Crash 1000.
crash.
Um, uh, yeah, Crash 1000 is on. I'm expecting it to break. Because I've been watching the lower high on 1 hour time frame. I've been watching the lower high and lower low side I've been forming. So I wanted to break that structure. It looks like there's this short yeah, yeah, yeah. I wanted to break that and retest it before I can be sure of
Mm,
joining a buy from there.
but for those people who took this trade early in the
Yeah,
morning,
yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah,
I
for those
noticed
who
that
took
in
when
profit.
when this candle was rejecting, yeah, because this thing is in it at currently a daily resistant. It's currently a daily
Mm,
resistant. So support, I mean, current as daily support.
Okay, I can see.
Yes, and you can see that candle, this daily candle here, this indecision here, this kind
Yeah,
of indecision. So this is a
yeah,
nice
yeah.
also a candle structure that can tell you the buy is coming. So for those people who took this, there's an echo on the side. Okay. For those who took this trade, on the opening of daily candle, on the opening of the daily candle, currently they are running how many profit? 70. They are running almost 80 pips, around 50 pips or so. So this thing was, yeah, it was a clear buy, but they're still chasing this thing down. So entry right now is a risky because the stop loss is will be wider. Adam, please mute yourself. There's an echo from your side. So this trade, this crash 1000, this crash 1000. If you enter right now, it means your trade will be a poor stop loss level, because it can still spike, down. You can see still spiking down at this a strong level of resistance. I can still spike a little bit and then see it moving back up. So this is what is happening. So can still spike a little bit and then breakout, a big breakout. So but for those who took this trade below here, currently they are looking profit because this thing has to go up, so there's no other choice. And if they push this market down and break this level of support, yeah, so this is where you buy with big lot size. Now this is where big boys come in with big lot size, because they know very well this thing has just been, if they break this level of support, if they happen and fail to go up, break this level of resistance, support, I mean, let's see the next support level where it will be. So I'm going back to monthly so that I can see clearly, or let me check on daily. Let me check the next resistance level. The next resistance level is here. So the red line. So you can see from here to here, this is a big gap. This is a big gap from my moving average. So I'm not expecting even they can move to this level, because big boys will be watching. And if big boys are watching when this thing is dropping back to this red line, they buy with, this is where people buy with huge loss size. You have seen people doing like that with huge loss size, you wonder. So they are targeting this thing to drop a little bit so they can buy with big loss size and then double the account. So at this level, the RIV will be suffering and they will be paying a lot of money. Yeah. So they can push the market a little bit up, and then the thing I was calculating was 50% of this candle here, 50 retracement percent. I've been watching that if they push to 50%, then there's probability they're gonna drop it, and then before they reach the red line where their nearest the support is, they can move up and then maybe move up for a while. So let me show you how I did the 50% retracement of this candle. So it was a daily candle, because a daily candle. So 50 retracement, you just go here and put your Fibonacci. So Fibonacci, I think I need to push like this. No, let me from the other side. Let me read this one. So from here, 50% retracement. So you can see 50% retracement of this candle before we see any change, before we see any sell. So if you took a buy, the TP should be here. So this is where your TP should be. This is where your TP should be. So this means it's 50% retracement of this daily candle. Then from there, we can see it dropping back down And if drop back down, it means going to break this level of support here, and then drop a little bit, then we buy now huge. We wait for rejection. Actually, most of the time when you are trading crash 1000 and boom 1000, make sure you watch for those rejections. Those rejections help a lot. I'll show you on boom 1000 how I took that trade on boom 1000. You saw that screenshot on my Telegram group, how I took that with 1.2 lots. Okay. I didn't have confidence to hold it for long, but because there's something also, you need to know also your take profit area. I know how far it will go, so that you can hold for long. So for this case, we still see this nice candle structure here. Let's see if it's gonna reach 50% retracement before it drop back down. That's what I can say on crash 1000. And then on boom 1000, this what it was a nice sale of 100 pips. Nice sale of 100 pips. So you go to 4 hours, then I drew something like this. So I went to 4 hours, I drew something like this. And I've told you, before you take a trade, before you take a trade of boom and crash, this rejection will also help you a lot. Put confidence on you in your trades. Okay, so this was 4 hours. It was yesterday. Okay, so you can see that thing. You can see how nice that trend line is. Then add support or resistance. So I'll add resistance at this level. So if I go to daily, I stretch my daily. Okay, just remove this. I stretch that daily support level here. You can see even on yourself that that's a resistance zone. That's a nice resistance zone. Okay. So this is my daily. But on my daily, you can see on my daily, if you're on Billionaire Club, you can really understand what I usually say when the market is around the two moving average, two simple moving average. You don't take the trade. And if you have to take the trade, you take the trade with caution, take the trade with tight stop loss, take the trade with small TP target. Don't target too big. Don't target too big because the market can still go up or can still go back down. But if you use structure of high highs and lower lows thing, you can see this boom 1000 daily can still go back to this red line. Though this red line is whereby we're gonna expect another sell. If it happen to go up, so it can go up to this red line here, where there is a strong level of support. Of support will become the resistance now. So that's why I didn't hold for long. I went for 100 pips, 100 points. So if you go now to 1 hour, okay, let me go to 1 hour. No, 4 hours. 4 hours, there was a rejection. You can see this rejection candle here. So we took the trade when the rejection closed. So when I saw the rejection, I took the trade there, and then it dropped to 100 pips. So it was 100 pips. Yeah, it was 100 pips. So I closed it 139 dollars. So from 1.2 lot size. So from there, so the TP very nice. So I didn't want to go for, sometimes I go for big profit up to there, but I saw like it not gonna make to reach at this red line here. No. So I took just 100 and that's enough. So we'll see if it's gonna continue to go up or down. So this is what we call market structure. You draw your trend line, see the support resistance zones, see also the rejection will also add confluence on your trade. Yeah, so that was boom 1000 yesterday. Okay, another question, please. Hello. On boom 500. If this trade closes with a rejection or closes with a pin bar, I don't know if it's a pin bar or something. This is daily chart. It's already retesting that support there. This can be a nice buy to hold for a
Yeah,
couple of
I'm
days.
expecting that also, boss.
Yes, so this will be a nice trade to hold a couple of days. Don't
Okay,
fear to
anyway.
hold. Don't fear to hold. Hold at least, take at least 100 pips, 200, 300 points. Yeah. So that should be good. If you are risking 50, get 100 or get 200. That's enough to grow your account. So also this, watch out for this. If I switch back to 4 hours chart, yeah, so you can see still have a nice move up to this level here. So this is your target profit now. So if it happen to move up, nice. So just have to hold, maybe close some trades around a halfway, 50% retracement. 50% retracement is a halfway, just a halfway, 50% retracement. Yeah, yeah, 50% retracement is there. So you can close your trade at 50% retracement here, some trades, okay, and then you hold the red to full profit now, to full target. Yeah, so that's how people hold trades. Yeah, so someone was asking, why do some people hold trades for days, yeah, in profit? Because they are using daily analysis, they're using daily charts, they're using 4 hours, they're using daily chart to analyze. So like this one, this is the daily analysis, it's a 4 hours analysis, this is not a 1 hour analysis, this is a 4 hours analysis. So they're gonna hold for days, because this, you can see these are 4 hours a daily, so they can hold for daily in profit. So you find that someone has been holding for 7 days, 6 days in profit, and maybe the trade went into his favor, so it's earning a lot of money. You have also seen that. So you cannot hold a trade using 1 hour analysis. 1 hour analysis at intertrade just something that you take your profit faster. But if you're analyzing using daily, you need, it means that you're gonna hold for a long period of time. Don't analyze using a daily and then you take your small profit. No, because that's what daily analysis. If you want small profit, go for 15-minute analysis, 1 hour analysis, 30 minutes analysis. So make sure you do that. You put that into consideration. Yeah, so that's what I can say. If you want me to analyze volatility 75, uh, if you want me to analyze volatility 75, okay, this is 4 hours. This is not volatility 75. Volatility 75 is this one. Go to daily, go to daily, go to daily. We still have a drop. To me, there's still a drop. Buy, almost buy yesterday. We took some buys here, but like this pin bar here is not valid anymore. If this candle closes like this, then I can take a risk to sell, because this, like this pin bar here is not a valid pin bar. If it was a valid pin bar, then this candle should have been in bullish form, not values, not have any effect, meaning it's a fake one. So there's chances that this thing, this volatility can still drop back to this, my moving average here. And then from there, we can see if we can get a bounce back up, or a continuation down. So volatility 75 for now, me, I'm out. I'm still watching, unless that candle closes like that, I can scalp for a sell. Yeah, so there's still a sell on volatility 75, still a sell. So these 4 hours are still a sell before it move up. So can see still some sell before moving up. This is a trend line that I drew last time. Remember I missed this buy. I missed this buy overnight, but it's okay. Can see that trend line, how it was touching very nicely, and then there was a small support level here. You can only see that nicely on 15 minutes chart time frame. Let me switch back to 15. It was here. I can see there, and then the market move up, and from that day still dropping. So those are things that we usually look on the market. Yeah, so let's see how, well, if gonna drop, it's okay, we buy, we wait for buy. If you want to risk a sell, it's okay, you can risk a sell, tight stop loss, or wait for a buy when time arrives. That's what I can say. So drop your question, drop your questions. Let me handle them. Alois. So we are good. Okay.
I'm
Thanks.
actually trying to still do some more analysis here, but I don't yet have a question for now. I hope other people have questions.
Which one? Hello.
I I I was late though. I wanted to enter Boom 1000 by. I was waiting for my break of structure. It
Okay.
broke it, but I couldn't catch it early, so I have to let that one go. I'm also waiting for Boom 500 by to break my structure, then I can join. Um, those are actually some that I'm waiting for. VIX 25.
Okay, 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 okay. No problem. Step is dropping, step is dropping. No structure right now. So step was a nice sell. If you're using support and resistance levels to drop to sell, if you're using support resistance levels, those this resistance was tested twice. So can see even not even twice, couple of times. So it became a very strong level here.
Step.
Yeah, step index. So it was a nice sell. It was a nice sell, but this signal, this setup usually happen at very late at night. So see a nice double been dropping very nicely.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that. It was a nice sell, but I didn't catch it.
Yeah, so you can see steps still dropping. Still dropping.
That's to break that support step before I can, if anybody wants to join, because there's this support
Yeah, there's
there
this.
where these rejections are.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah, if anybody wants to join, that's to break that
Uh,
support.
yeah, they can still bounce from this support. Can still bounce from this support and then go up. For now, for now, I'll just keep off from step until I get something good. That's what I can say for today. And let's see if you have any questions. So I'm still watching my Boom 1000. See what will be happening because of the day. Okay, boom 1000. I'll still wait for to. I don't buy spikes, so I don't like buying spikes. So I'll wait it to break my trend line, continue to go up to my red line here. So up to my red line, then I'll consider now to for a sell. Another is too. So,
But you said you're looking for sell on Boom 1000.
but not now. Not now. Not now until it spike up to this red line here.
Yeah, if it
Uh,
gets there, then I can look for sell there.
then
Yeah.
I can sell, but I'm not selling any. I've just sold this already, so I'm not selling anymore. So I'll just wait. Anything that will come that will give me a sell, but I need it to move for it to move a little bit up so that I can still working for a sell. If you are catching spikes, if you want to buy this, also can be a nice boom, can be a nice buy opportunity.
Yeah.
I'm still
Yes.
can still buy a nice
I
buy
see a nice
opportunity.
buy, but I can't join again.
Yes. So also boom 1000 still is boom 500 still
Boom
spiking
500
up.
too. Yeah, nice buy.
Yeah. So nice opportunity coming up for that. So those are things I should be also considering. Yeah. So thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. You don't have any questions. Naomi, Alexander will just join right now. Oh, sorry, we are just ending the class. Ian, I think Ian is new to these Zoom sessions. Uh, Ian, are you okay? Ian, any question?
I'm okay. At the moment, no, no question. I was watching B75.
Okay,
Yeah, so that's where
you are
I
right
needed more
now.
clarification as you have given it. So I'm good there.
Okay.
Mm.
Alexander just joined right now. Oh, sorry, flight. I've just joined right now, but you'll get the video. So I've just recorded the video, so you'll get the video on how we do these things. So I don't trade range market. Range, no, don't trade this range thing. Yeah, it's more volatile. It's more volatile like volatility 75 and volatility 100 second. So, and remember these are spikes. So these are spikes. So any spike, any big spike against you, you see very big loss. So that's the reason why spikes range breaks not very good. Unless if you have a good account, because range can be it's very volatile and it's spiking. So you see, it's not even like 75. 75 is not spiking. It's volatile, but it's not spiking. But this one is volatile, but and at the same time is spiking. That's become very dangerous because anytime you find yourself into 30, 40 lows in just one spike. So that's what we do. I wish I could analyze UJ. UJ is a nice sell right now. USD JPY. It has a nice structure to sell. So I just send that signal on the group. So let's see how UJ will be behaving. Thank you so much, guys, for attending this. You have any question, please DM me and then I'll explain everything for you. So thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, boss.
Okay, okay.